Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Carve. Carve means cut hard material. For example, the wood was carved with runes. The wood was carved with runes. Synonyms: sculpt, sculpture, engrave.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exempli. In between working as a stockman, Possum had begun carving wood. Now, repeat after me. In between working as a stockman, Possum had begun carving wood. The second exempli. It's an attractive building, dark carved wood contrasting with the white sand. Now, repeat after me. It's an attractive building, dark carved wood contrasting with the white sand. The third exempli. Trained as an architect, Longhurst has been carving wood and stone since 1976. Now, repeat after me. Trained as an architect, Longhurst has been carving wood and stone since 1976.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
About 4,000 words are added to the dictionary each year.
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.